No problem.
I will buy one of these. So
One of the rolls? Yeah, of course you can. Yeah, no problem. These freeze really well as well.
These one as well. So I just put it on the dry in the shop and see.
Yeah, definitely. And you can heat. I like mine warmed up.
Yeah.
So you can warm them up beautifully, and they go really fluffy.
Awesome. Because I'm not awake.
We started the business on the 9th of January 2026, and we are now, 26th of March 2026, and it's going really well. But we started here in Fishguard Market at the end of January. And I'm a Welsh girl originally, through and through. I'm from Ceredigion, just up the road here from Pembrokeshire. And my story begins with this business by being diagnosed with coeliac disease, which is an autoimmune disease where my body basically goes attacking on itself when I eat gluten. What drove me to create this food for me was not getting good, tasty, good quality food in the supermarkets. I'm a massive foodie, so when I was diagnosed, the world came crashing down on me, that I couldn't just go into a restaurant and, have a nice dinner with a bowl of chips or whatever, because it's cross-contaminated. So I really wanted to make sure that I could bake good food with good ingredients, and be able to serve it and sell it to people. The statistic is 1 in 100 people have celiac disease, and which is quite a lot considering. And just under that then, the amount of people that can't eat gluten whatsoever. So it's really important, it's my mission to make sure that people can, be included and have food that's accessible to them, that not only is accessible but tastes good as well, and people can enjoy it and enjoy bread, enjoy pastry, sausage rolls, things like that. So regulars, being able to service them and give them what they need for a week, and then they come back. I'm sort of essentially relying at the moment on my regular customers, which is just incredible, an incredible position to be in, and that's what my goal was. So to be able to be doing that is, and a lot of the health food shops, or local shops where people can easily access and go and pick up their local food, fruit, veg, pastries, breads. And so to be able to have here our business in there as well, where someone who can't have gluten can now access things, is just amazing. So I couldn't be happier, but I just want to keep going. I'm always learning with gluten-free. I was only diagnosed a year ago, and I'm lots to learn, lots to adapt. I'm always got my head in a gluten-free book or on Instagram or something, trying to research different things and the aesthetics and how I want it to look, taste, feel, smell. It's going good up until now. I just got to keep that momentum going. Getting up at 4 o'clock in the morning is really challenging. I used to be a chef in France with my partner, so we were used to sort of early rises anyway, but not quite 4 a.m. I'm quite an early bird, but 4 a.m. is a struggle. But once you're up in the kitchen, got some music on, the radio on, it's nice. It's good. Expect nothing, appreciate everything was my motto at the time. So I was like, I'll just appreciate a few customers and hope for the best. I didn't realize how, the power of social media, how many people would be interested and want to try it out, would come back, who need it so badly as well. I had a lady who hadn't had a sausage roll in 15 years, and for her to enjoy it and come back and, each week want more, I was like, bringing tears to my eyes. A lady today, earlier, she had bought 2 brownies from me last week. She came back and she said, I've got to get some more of those brownies. And she saw the sign. She's like, you're gluten-free. And I was like, yeah. She's like, I'd never know. So, just to hear that from someone that you would never know that they were gluten-free. And even my brownies are vegan as well. She didn't know that. She just, saw them and wanted to buy them and came back and had some more. So with gluten-free, there's ingredients that are a little bit more expensive. So, naturally, and there's a little bit more care that has to go into it. Obviously, being celiac, my kitchen doesn't contain any gluten anyway, but I want to make sure that all of the safety precautions and everything are followed. And thank you. Yeah, I get married a week today, and so I'm not going to be at Fishguard for the next 2 weeks, but I'll be back every Thursday after that. The 16th of April in Fishguard Market.
Fishguard Market in Town Hall.
Yes, 8 till 2.
Great.
Thank you very much.
I feel so outdated. How can we look the other way? Sun is out, but the sky is gray.